How to buy Bitcoin in Singapore. In this video, we'll cover how to buy Bitcoin in Singapore, which crypto exchange to use, payment options, and how to make a trade. To buy Bitcoin and crypto in Singapore, you need to register with a cryptocurrency exchange licensed by MAS. Independent Reserve is the trusted cryptocurrency exchange in Singapore for discerning investors looking to invest in Bitcoin and crypto. Founded in 2013, it is one of the world's oldest crypto exchanges and Singapore's first licensed exchange. Trusted by over 400,000 customers, Independent Reserve offers low fees, SGD and USD deposits such as PayNow, Fast, and Swift. To register with Independent Reserve, you will be required to provide personal information such as your name, address, and Singpass details. To view the complete sign-up process, see our How to Sign Up with Independent Reserve video by clicking the on-screen card or following the links in the description. Once you've created your account, you can deposit SGD or USD using PayNow, Fast, or Swift. In this example, we'll demonstrate how to buy Bitcoin using PayNow. First, log in to your Independent Reserve account. Then, tap Wallet on the bottom right of the screen. Tap on Quick Deposit on the top right of your screen. From the menu, select Pay Now or Fast to deposit funds. For this demonstration, we'll use PayNow. With PayNow, you can deposit SGD for free. Launch your PayNow compatible banking app to complete the funds transfer. Tap I made a transfer once completed. Once the pop-up screen shows we have received your deposit, tap Buy Crypto to proceed. Enter the amount you'd like to spend on Bitcoin, then tap Buy Bitcoin to proceed. Finally, tap on Place Order to confirm your purchase. Once you see order status filled, tap OK. Congratulations! You've successfully made your first Bitcoin purchase. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please click the thumbs up button or subscribe to our channel if you'd like to keep up with the latest industry news and updates.